my name is Haley and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a side item instead of like a main course item. So it's going to be scalloped sweet potatoes with Gouda on top. So I'm really excited because I don't think I've ever tried like Gouda cheese. So yeah, this is going to be my first time trying it and I'm excited. The ingredients are 3 large sweet potatoes and you gotta slice them. You need butter, flour, milk, the Gouda cheese, 4 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, and parsley to go on top at the end. So I'm going to show you how to make that right now. First thing you're going to do is get your whatever your Gouda cheese. This is what I'm using, and it's, let's see, like half a pound of Gouda. And I'm going to go ahead and grate this up. This is what it looks like whenever you take the wrapper off. It has these little things on the end. And I'm just going to take those off. And now I'm going to start grating it up. Okay, now I'm going to take the 3 sweet potatoes and I'm going to peel them and slice them up. Alright, this is what they look like when they're all chopped up. And I'm not gonna lie, I broke a sweat while doing that. These things are hard to chop and peel. They're like super tough, so. Okay, now it says to layer it in a dish. I'm gonna use some canola oil to grease it. A little bit. Now it says to just start layering them in like on a diagonal or something. Kind of like that, I guess. So I guess kind of like that. Okay, so I have 2 tablespoons of butter in the saucepan and I'm going to turn it on medium heat and let that melt. And then after that, I'm going to add in the flour, or half of this flour. This is 1/3 a cup. Is that what is that, 1/3? Whatever, 1/3 of a cup of flour, but I'm just gonna do half, and then I'm gonna do half after, and then add some milk. I'll show you. Okay, now that the butter is all melted, I'm gonna add in half of this. And then I'm gonna whisk it for about 20 seconds. Alright, and now I'm gonna add in the milk. This is 2 cups of milk. And then I'm gonna finish adding the rest of this in. Now I'm gonna whisk it up. Until it's nice and smooth. Alright, and now you're gonna bring it to a low simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna take it off because it's kind of thick. You're just gonna have to eyeball it. See how like thick it is? This is the consistency you want, kind of like, what is this? Like gravy. That's the consistency you want. You're gonna put in 1.5 cups of Gouda. Four cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's like 4 teaspoons. So. One, 2, 3, 4. I think that's pretty good. Okay, now you're just gonna stir this up. Now you're gonna add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now I'm just gonna pour that sauce over the sweet potatoes. Now you're going to take your aluminum foil and cover the pan. Sorry, I meant to say 375 degrees. So I'm going to put them in now for 1 hour. Okay, I just took it out. Let's see what it looks like. Yum. It looks really cheesy and juicy. Oh my gosh. Alright, so now you're going to take the rest of the Gouda cheese and you're going to sprinkle it on top. And then you're going to put it back in the oven. You're going to set your oven to broil and you're going to put it back in the oven for about 2 minutes until it's nice and brown on top. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all done. Oh my god, I hope I don't make it fall off. good. And I put a little bit of parsley on top. Alright. It's good. I think I might have cooked the sweet potatoes a little bit too long though, because they're like melt in your mouth. The Gouda cheese kind of just tastes like mild cheddar cheese, to be honest. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you make this, I hope that you like it, and yeah, it was really good. The sweet potatoes came out really good. I thought that maybe I overcooked them a little bit, but the ones that I cut a little bit thicker were like perfect. So, alright, bye.